Hello and welcome everybody in our history about project Raleigh, and that's the stage at the moment. Both wheels, front and rear, was refurbishing, truing again with new inner tubes put back together. Also rear mech chain, crankset, pedals, brakes, saddle, seat post, stem, handlebar and brake levers. Looks pretty decent. That's our update. What next? Next I do have mud guards, which one they are freshly painted. They're gonna be fitted today. Brake cables front and rear. Shifter for rear mech and test ride. It was pretty short restoration, but it was worth to put this Raleigh back to the service. When we started, this bike was really neglected, with needs some TLC, cleaning, lubrication, some touch-ups. At the moment it is nice. So I hope you guys are well. Yeah, thank you at the moment and see you next time. Goodbye.